Imagine stepping into a cellar where cheese doesn't just age, it listens. Each wheel rests in its own wooden crate, surrounded by carefully chosen sounds. Beneath them, small loudspeakers hum with life. Rock riffs, soft melodies, deep vibrations, filling the air and the wood with rhythm. Here, time, texture, and sound work together in a quiet experiment. Can music shape flavor? This is not just cheese making. It's cheese and surround sound. From bold beats to gentle harmonies, every wheel experiences a different sonic journey, absorbing vibrations as it matures. The idea is simple, yet fascinating. If sound can influence water, plants, and even mood, what might it do to taste?
In Switzerland, we still have a lot of good cheesemakers, very traditional. We have this raw milk cheese, which is almost unique in bigger production worldwide. So we don't pasteurize the milk. This is a really, really big difference. And so we get our raw milk Gruyère, raw milk Emmental. So this is a good base to work with that cheese. When we put the music, I think we help to have the cheese a more complex and spicier taste. I prefer the funny and hard rhythms, so hip hop or rock music I think is very good, but also techno. And as I have to say, you can also use just vibrations, so you take some sinus frequencies and you are very close to what's happening with hip hop or other music. So it's finally the energy and the vibration which is changing the cheese, and maybe the music can make a little difference between the one and the other. For the hip hop cheese, I take my favorite cheese, and this is Emmentaler. I think Emmentaler, often sold too young or with not enough flavor or not the right consistency, and I think it's also a big wheel. So when I invest 6 months of sonification, at the end of the day, maybe with 1.5 years, I have 100 kilograms of cheese. When I put on small cheese, I have a lot of work. At the end, I can sell 500 grams of muchli something.
Does rock create a stronger character? Can melody soften the flavor? And maybe the future of Swiss cheese isn't just aged in silence, but composed in harmony.